Section 2.1, Using Equations to Graph Linear Functions. Equations of the form y equal mx plus b represent linear functions. Such equations are linear because the graph is a straight line. Such equations represent functions because there's only one value of y for each value of x. When we want to emphasize that y is a function of x, instead of writing y equal mx plus b, we write f parentheses x equal mx plus b. In this context, f parentheses x is read f of x and does not mean multiplication, but instead means y is a function of x. Example, sketch the graph of f of x equal negative 2/3 x plus 4. Because this equation matches the form of a linear equation, we know the graph is a straight line. Thus, we only need to plot 2 points because there's only one way to draw a straight line through 2 points. Nevertheless, for purposes of this example, I will plot more than 2 points. Because the slope has denominator 3, the easiest points to compute will be multiples of 3. And below, I make a table of values and plot the points and connect the dots. Okay, so I chose multiples of 3 for my inputs for values of x. X would be negative 3, 0, 3, and 6, just for convenience. My function is f of x equal negative 2/3 x plus 4. So I want to in the formula for f of x, I want to replace x first by negative 3. So f of negative 3 will be negative 2/3 times negative 3 plus 4. The minus sign and the 3's will cancel. That'll leave me 2 plus 4, which is 6. If x is 0, we'll have negative 2/3 times 0 plus 4. 0 times anything is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. If x is 3, f of x will be negative 2/3 times 3 plus 4. The 3's will cancel. That leaves us minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. And if x is 6, f of 6 is negative 2/3 times 6 plus 4. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. So we'll have negative 4 plus 4, which is 0. And then I can plot the points and sketch the graph. So the first point, we want to go 3 to the left, up 6. So from the center, go 3 to the left, up 6. That's our first point. The second point, 0 left to right, up 4. So it's right on the y scale, 0 left to right, up 4. Next point is 3 to the right, up 2. So go 3 to the right, up 2. And then the last point, 6 to the right, up or down 0. So that's right on the x scale. And then connect the dots. And that concludes this presentation.